Nobody really talk about this part. Trading a small account isn't just harder technically, it's also harder emotionally. Because when you're trading a small account, every single trade feel personal. Every loss feel bad, and every win still feel like it's just not enough. So if you're trading a small account and you feel like you're constantly fighting in your head, this video is for you. Most trading video content that you see online is basically built around big numbers, big wins, big account, big confidence. But once you're trading a small account, the pressure is totally different. You're not just managing your risk, you're also managing your hope, your frustration, and also acceptance at the same time. And that part is rarely acknowledged. So here's the truth. A $20 loss on a small account is more hurtful than a $200 loss on a big one. Not because of the money, but really what it represents. So it feel like you might be wasting your time, progress erased, and proof that you're not ready to really be trading at all. So when you're trading a small account, you really don't have any margin for emotional mistakes. Every red trade feel like a setback instead of just part of the game. And this is why most small account traders overreact. Not because they're weak, but because the emotion is super heavy on them. And nobody tell you this either. Small account create fake urgency. You may feel like you have to trade more, trade faster, and force opportunity. Because deep down, you're thinking, if I don't make this work soon, I'm falling behind. This urgency is what caused overtrading, you chasing moves and ignoring rules that you know better than to really break. And it's not a lack of knowledge, it's just really the pressure. I remember staring at the screen after a red trading day, and I wasn't even mad at the setup, I was just mad that I really wasted my time. And not because the loss was big, but because my account was super small. I felt like I couldn't afford patience. Like every day had to really count. And that mindset didn't make me better. It really created desperation. And desperation doesn't survive long in the market. Trading a smaller account is super lonely. You can't really explain it to people around you. They either don't understand at all or they think you're crazy stressing over small numbers. So you keep it to yourself. Your wins don't feel impressive and your losses feel embarrassing. That isolation really makes everything heavier. Here's a reframe most people never get. You're not failing because it feels hard. It feels hard because you're doing the hardest version of trading. Small account trading is where discipline is built, where your patience is trained, and where your bad habit get exposed early. This stage is not supposed to feel comfortable. It's supposed to feel sharp. If you're trading a small account and what I'm saying feel a little bit too accurate, you're not alone. Comment real if you feel the pressure before. And if you want to follow the journey, please follow me.